up, guys? It's been a while. It's really cold outside, so that's why I haven't been making any videos. I mean, if you look out the window, there's snow. So, in that case, I made a decision that I'm going to be getting rid of my S14 shell. But don't worry, the channel is still going to go on, and I will be getting a new drift car soon. I'm not going to tell you guys what it is until I upload the next video, but as of right now, I'm going to be cleaning all of this shit that's underneath the 240 and everything inside of the 240, such as the steering column, this extra glass that I have, and the gas tank. Now I have to do all of this in the matter of 4 days, so I have to get this shell out of here and this side of the garage cleaned up. The reason I want to get a different shell is because you guys seen all the rust that's under here, and actually the rear frame rail that's in the back that actually holds up the subframe actually has rot right next to where the subframe bolts in. On Tuesday I'm going to be finishing this vlog. It's really cold outside, but it's actually going to be 25 degrees warmer on Tuesday, so that's going to be a plus. I'm going to get to organizing now, cleaning everything out from underneath the car, and I will see you guys on Tuesday. Hey guys, it's Sunday. Just a little update on the car. We got it moved over. We cut the quarter panel back off, got the gas tank out. Car is moved over and ready to be put on the trailer. I actually chopped inside the car to get the e-brake cables out, so I have a spare e-brake. Kurtzman came over earlier today and we actually used the jack to pull the car over in the rear end, and then we put a skateboard underneath the car in the front end so we could swing it over. We are taking the car tomorrow to the scrapyard. So when we get rid of the car tomorrow, I'll be cleaning up the garage floor and making room for the new drift car. I hope you guys are just as excited as I am, and stay tuned for tomorrow. Yeah, no, I don't care about that. Ah.
They did a fucking Nintendo 64, that bitch. I don't know if they did. Alright, you can click it.
What?
Woo!
You pushed it too fast.
Oh, we did?
Yeah, look.
Oh, holy fuck! Alright, you can press the button more. Right there. Alright, well I can't believe this is actually working. We're pretty centered.
This never happens.
Yeah, this never fucking works. Nothing else.
It worked.
Oh, that's going through the training tunnel. It's going where the shifter goes. Oh, there it is.
Hey, as long as it works, right?
Press that shit!
Oh yeah!
Yeah.
Keep going.
Oh yeah!
Yeah. Alright, press it. That's good. Alright, center it on the trailer.
Got it on the trailer.
Quit your complaining, bro.
Yeah, it does look smooth.
Stand it up. Watch out!
Finishing touches. That does the job.
Got my wallet. You want this title?
Recording this, right?
Yeah, I got it. Oh, there goes the windshield. Oh, it might have been. Oh! There it goes. Shit! Shit! Yeah. Bye-bye 240. Bye-bye.
Alright, we'll walk.
Well, that is it, guys. The 240 is gone. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for tomorrow for the next video. I will be picking up another drift car. Thanks, guys.